Hey guys, Tech Made Easy here. How are you? Hey, I'm going to do an unboxing on a brand new Roku Ultra. Now, this is their top of the line streamer at this point, and then everything else is below. A couple things that make this the top of the line. It is a 4K, up to a 4K, so you don't have to have 4K. It has a quad-core processor. Okay, it has wireless and Ethernet. All right, it has a micro SD, which will save your channels and make your life easier, so you don't have to worry about it having to download your channels. It does come with these premium JBL headset. We'll see those in a little bit. It has a lost remote finder feature. Okay, and the remote is a voice remote. Now, this model, just so you'll know, sells for about $100. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. All right, let me just put the box there. Here is your player. All right. This button, I believe, is the remote finder button, if I'm not mistaken. I've never had to use the feature. It does have some plastic on it, so let's go ahead and take that off, because I don't know, I'm not the one that leaves the plastic on things, you know. It's kind of like someone that has couches and they leave the plastic on the couches. If you know anyone, they probably don't exist anymore. You know, my grandmother, God bless her, and God rest her soul, yeah, she had plastic on the couches. So the micro SD slot is right down here. Okay, that's your HDMI port, your Ethernet port, and your plug. All right, the device should face this way for the remote itself. So that's the device. Let's go inside and see what's inside. You get your little booklet, which, you know, you could look through. Here is your remote. Very popular remote. It's got your power button. It's got your microphone here in the middle, your back button, your home button, your up, down, left, right, and then OK. So the joystick's very comfortable. It's got your headset, your plugs in there. You know, when your wife is sleeping, you plug your headset in and you can listen to your TV shows through your remote. Your volume up and down, and even a mute button now. That's actually new. God, I used to miss having a mute button during commercials. You know why? Because there's so many either political commercials or so many commercials around drugs. I just want to hit mute. Your back button is here. Your microphone button's here. Your Roku star button to do things like move channels or delete channels is there. All right, play, pause, rewind, fast forward. These two, I'm not sure what they are. I know you can also use this as a gaming remote. There's a couple of ways you can actually use this as a gaming remote. Dedicated Hulu button, Netflix, Sling, and Disney TV. So it's got some of the newer channels. Now, you put your batteries back here. You slide this off, and then this is your remote sync. Okay, if your remote ever isn't synced up to your Roku, you press this button, and a light, you know, will flash on the front of the Roku, and then your remote will be synced up. Guys, I gotta tell you, you know, so let's see what else is in the box anyway, just so you'll know. So you've got your power plug. All right, so I'm going to plug mine in tonight and set it up, so I'll take it out. You've got batteries, generic batteries. It looks like Duracell, but it's not. All right, is it? Oh, it is Duracell. Duracell OEM. Okay. Wow, mass-produced Duracells. And then here's your headset. Now, I don't use these guys, but I'll open it up. Let me see if it's going to be a easy thing to do or a hard thing to do. You know, I'll tell you something. I keep everything beautiful so I can sell it. I can just resell it. All right. But I'm going to take them out just for you so you can see the premium JBL headset that you get. And they give you different earbuds as well. Okay. Nice. Looks like a nice long headset. All right, but I'm going to throw this back in the corner here because I'm not going to use them. All right, but that's all that's in the box, guys. So here you go. You got your Roku and your remote, and you're living in your streaming world. Hey, that's about it. Listen, I've used these for a while. If you have any questions around Roku, let me know. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. That always helps the channel, by the way, too. We always ask for thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, I'm going to put Tech Made Easy in the upper right-hand corner. I will also put my cable cutter playlist up here in one of these corners here. So take a look at our playlist when you get a chance. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for your time.